Us? Like the loving little couple that we are?
15 Swamp Tour and have on a blue wristband. Please join us under the pavilion at this time. Your tour is about to begin.
Blue wristbands.
Once again, if you have on a blue
What color is your wristband?
please join us under the pavilion.
It's purple.
At this time. Your
Then you need to go sit down.
Thank you.
Go sit down, ma'am. Hey, ma'am, I'm gonna need you to go sit down.
Hey y'all! Today we are going on a swamp tour to see alligators and wild boars and raccoons and all types of stuff. So we're here, we're about to load onto the boat and we are going to check out the swamp. Let's go.
Yeah, if an alligator sauce got meat in it, it's not that good. It's got pork in it. It's bound to be out. 8 and 8. So, where y'all from?
Northern Illinois.
Utah?
All over the place. We live in a fifth wheel.
You live in a fifth wheel?
Fifth wheel
Yeah, we
camper.
just
Yeah,
travel.
There you go. Hey, I wish I could do that like Before we get started, I have a little safety briefing I have to go over with y'all. In case somebody falls overboard, I do have a life ring right here. Nothing to worry about. I ain't used that thing forever. It's been at least 3 days. In case we years ago, we had a guy had one of the poles, and he stretched it out. And one of the big alligators swimming on top of the boat. It was a Kimbo swimming on top of the boat. Kimbo's about 12 foot long. Elephant ears are not indigenous. I don't even think they're indigenous to this country. Come on, get over here. Get in a tree. There you go. Hey, did you hear this one coming?
Oh, cool.
Come here, I got some more for you. Come here. Quit spinning. I love when I throw one and they spin and it follows their tail until they catch up with it. Roll that one up his head.
What a cutie.
Here, wait, don't go away, I got some more. Here. Hey, can I get my pair? Piggy. Look at them.
Oh, they're beautiful.
You stop.
I've never seen red or brown.
No, me either. That's the only one I've ever seen like that. And then we got one that used to be up at the front. I think she passed away because normal lifespan. And Blondie, she... Oh, you want to see?
I mean, people are just...
Take a picture of that.
Wait, I'll let you have another one. I'll let you have another one. Come on.
Here, take this picture.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, I almost bounced it on her nose.
I saw that. It was good.
Sit, boo boo. Oh, you don't sit.
That's funny.
Now, y'all want to? Let me see if I can get her to come around.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, that's little compared to some of them we got around here.
And she wouldn't go get the one you put in the water.
I'll give it to her. Here. You small pig.
Spoiled pigs.
Bro, right.
Look at the he's trying to get it. He's like, you're not giving me nothing.
Yeah, where's mine?
He just gets it and runs away. He only comes back when he wants one.
There you go.
Y'all can see more up into the trees than what I can see. Night tours. Coming through here at nighttime. That's fun. Because there's snakes out. There's bullfrogs out. And any other kind of nocturnal critter that you could think of is out. I had a big old bullfrog jump in the boat. And then I seen when he jumped from the left side to the right side. But the people on the left side thought he was still over there, so they still jumping. Now I got the people on the right side jumping. I don't know how that frog made it out the boat with his life. Maybe crashing. I was hoping there was a snake right there. Just kidding. But you couldn't tell 22 people that was screaming because they couldn't hear me. I just hurried up. Oh, it's funny. 30 traps out, and I left them for about 36 hours. Uh-huh. The bark off of that tree has salicylic acid in it, the same as the aspirin. So the Native Americans had a cure for headaches, minor aches.
Headed to the gift shop. Gonna go check out the gift shop, see what's there.
Got plenty of stuff, buy a lot.
That's what, yeah, might have to. Oh, what's in there?
Boy, somebody turned your heater off. He's gonna pick it up. He came back.
That's crazy.
Wet the floor. Open your hand.
No.
Them fingers right there. Because I gotta put his leg in there.
Like that?
Yeah. And then there you go. And hold his tail so he can't wiggle. That way he can't come around and bite you no kind of way.
How neat. Oh, it feels crazy.
You want to see him smile? You want a picture of him smiling?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you want to touch it?
Yeah, I can.
Want to hold it?
Oh god, no.
I doubt it.
Oh my god.
They're really easy to handle.
Oh
It's really cool.
Yeah. He can't.
Small but muscular.
Take the camera.
no.
Yeah. I'll chase you across the parking lot.
Oh my god.
Open your fingers like that.
You'll never have this experience again. You should do it.
Okay, wait. I don't know what to do.
I said, put that hand right there, flat. Open them two fingers.
And they're gonna go around his leg.
There you go around his leg,
Oh
right
my god.
here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Okay,
god.
now
oh my
put
god,
your thumb around his neck.
Oh my god.
Now hold the tail right here.
Oh my god.
He's yours.
Oh my god.
Even if he wiggles, don't let him go.
Smile.
Oh, you want to smile?
She's rubbing you. I can't believe she's not crying.
Man, that's pretty cool. Don't cry about it.
How funny is that?
Right there. Yep. Now look, you got that on camera?
Yeah.
You just did something you ain't never done before in your life. You want to hold him next? See it, Kevin?